Avenida da Ponte da Amizade,友谊大马路。Driving up Avenida, Ponte da Amizade. Driving down Avenida da Ponte da Amizade. Avenida da Ponte da Amizade. Oh, Avenida, Ponte da Amizade. One straight bridge down Avenida, Ponte da Amizade, connecting Tapa and Macau, oh, connecting Tapa and Macau. Oh, Macau, you got that bridge, you got those straight stretches of an avenue. Oh, Ponte da Amizade. Oh, Avenida da Ponte da Amizade. Oh, Avenida da Ponte da Amizade. Oh, yeah, going down that damn Avenida da Ponte da Amizade.
This is so interesting. That's not our street, but Avenida de Hong Kong. I'll explain it in a minute, but actually our street is this bridge. It's called Ponte, like the Friendship Bridge. Avenida, it's like the avenue of the Friendship Bridge, and this bridge is right there. It goes all the way down across, and then parallel to it is the Friendship Avenue, Amizade de Avenida, Avenida de Amizade. So they are together, but this one goes all the way to Taipa, and then this one goes inland a little bit to the casinos. But what's interesting is this is all reclaimed land. They're building it quite a bit. And so this bridge actually goes over there now. So that is kind of interesting that I could actually walk over to this one. And I should do that, but I might actually do a little bit of that. But anyways, we'll put this up on the map. We're gonna label this as the Friendship Village, Friendship Bridge, which is this one. So let's put it up on the map first. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So there's our Friendship Village, Friendship Bridge. And it goes right over the bridge, right over there, all the way to Taipa. There's another bridge here that goes to this island. This is a brand new bridge. It just opened about a year or two. This has all been worked on for 10 years or so. But now it's like just getting, it's not ready for use yet. There's still, you can see all the cranes, there's tons and tons of cranes, but these buildings just went up recently, very recently. And then I saw the sign that leads you all the way. I'm tempted to take it, but I don't think I will at this particular time period. But it is interesting because I can see there's some signs that says Avenida da Kai, which is that one straight ahead. And then there's also the Ponte Bridge, which is that one. It's called the Macau Bridge, that far bridge, and this is our bridge. And this bridge basically follows into a road. Maybe I will go up a little bit. And then over there's a sign that says the Reservoir Park. So right over there is a big reservoir. This used to be all ocean. And then there's like, yeah, lighthouses up there. That's all like Macau stuff everywhere on that side. And there's a big reservoir of like fresh water. So they needed to get a lot of fresh water, and they built this little thing around it. And then they built this road that goes this side of the reservoir, which this would have been all ocean. All of this that we're in is all would have been ocean at one time. And now they're reclaiming that. And then our Ponte Road continues down this way. And I would walk it. Instead what I'm gonna do is just come up here. Looks like the cars can go on it, and also pedestrians. Okay, so this is actually closed right now. So later this will be, I guess pedestrians can walk all the way down that way. And then that'll be that's our target street right there, all the way down. So we would be walking down this, and as you can kind of see what we'd be seeing already, would be a gas station. These tall buildings are relatively new as well. This is all like the northern part of Macau. Yeah, and before there was no bridges here, and this bridge wasn't here either. This is all really new, and all of those buildings are new. The last time I went over there, I filmed a little bit on this island, but it's all so new right now. But yeah, that's yeah, I'm kind of so tempted to walk across it and get into that a little bit. I parked my car illegally, so I cannot do too much. I am tempted though, very, very tempted. Over there is Zhuhai, China, straight down that way. I like to walk right down into that. I have walked down that street a little bit and filmed it about a year ago, like back when it was very, very new. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come back down. Yep, that's the Friendship Bridge. Ponte de Amizade de Avenida de Amizade de Ponte, something like that. That would be our target street. Let me go down there and we'll walk a little bit of it. Okay, so if we walked it, we would be following this waterfront. I think what I'm going to do instead is kind of walk over this, maybe take a look at that a little bit. This is our target street right there, and this right here. So yeah, this is our target street, and then this would follow this water, and then it'd follow into these things, and it wouldn't go very far, and then it'd be the end of the video. So if I was to walk it, I wouldn't see that much. I think this one, I guess this kind of takes you into the median. Oh, I guess there's a park down here. So there's actually a park between our target street, and then this is the Avenida, Friendship Avenue and Friendship Bridge. And there's a little park right here. And then I guess it's a dog park. So I guess she was running down with her dog. So there's a dog park there and a dog park there. So that's part of it. You can see people walking down that way over there. Let's try to get a different angle of everything. So it's kind of interesting. So if somebody was to live over in that new reclaimed land area, those are brand new buildings. Most of them, there's nobody living in them yet. I have seen a couple where people are moving in, but they are just a couple at this moment in time. But now you could walk across that bridge and come right over here to this reservoir, and then this, I think I'll bring the video over here. Let me just kind of capture our target street one more time. So again, I'm going to label the street accordingly, which is that one, following the waterfront, goes that way, all the way over to Taipa. And we're going to go over here, and we'll just show you what this this reservoir looks like. So a lot of people will exercise, jog, run, hang out. And then it's basically like one giant box. So it'll go all the way down that way. Friendship Bridge. And you can actually walk all the way around it. Gil Hill Lighthouse up there. Macau Tower, the distance. A little bit of a playground over there. One of these days I'd like to walk all the way around it, but today is not the day for it. Okay. I think this is all relatively new, this whole area right here with all the kind of stuff for kids and such like that. You have to walk. This is very industrial, so this whole area over here, there's apartments here, but it's quite industrial, a lot of car mechanics and such. There's a little but if you go over there, you're right into lots of different stuff of Macau. Racetrack is over there. Okay. So I guess what we're gonna do is end this particular video. So we'll walk back over to the bridge. Yep.
Do you know?
Okay, so we're gonna come down this way, and then we're just gonna go into the street a little bit, and we'll end the video. So okay, so yeah, basically that's our target street right there, and we'll end it right there. Okay, so we're actually going to take the Friendship Bridge, just to give you the full context. So we're actually going to be at the very base of the road. Just to give
Avenida da Ponte da Amizade,友谊大马路。Driving up Avenida, Ponte da Amizade. Driving down Avenida da Ponte da Amizade. Avenida da Ponte da Amizade. Oh, Avenida, Ponte da